Dear students, today we will learn calculation of labor wages in Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 1 SY BCom SEM 3. Here is one practical problem. From the following data, prepare a statement showing cost per man day of 8 hours. The information is basic salary and dearness allowance rupees 15,000 per month. Leave salary to the workmen 6% of basic and DA. Employer's contribution to PF 6% of A and B. Employees' contribution to PF 6% of A and B. Pro rata expenditure on amenities to labor rupees 250 per head per month, and number of working hours in a month 200. From this information we are to calculate labor cost per man day of 8 hours. Here is the calculation. Statement showing the cost per man of 200 hours. Particulars, working and amount. First, basic salary and dearness allowance per month rupees 15,000. Leave salary 6% of A and B, that is 6% of 15,000, it is 900. Now employer's contribution to PF 6% of A and B, that is 6% of 15,000 plus 900, that is 954. Amenities to labor rupees 200 per head per month fixed, it is 250. And total labor expenses incurred per worker per month rupees 17,104. Total working hours per month is 200 hours. Dear students, while calculating monthly wages of a laborer, employee's contribution to PF will not be considered in the statement of remuneration because it is a deduction. If you are asked to calculate net wages payable to the laborers, we will deduct employee's contribution to PF from the gross salary of the worker. And now we calculate labor cost per man day of 8 hours, and for that our formula will be total labor cost divided by monthly hours multiply daily hours. 17,104 divided by 200 hours multiply 8 hours is equal to rupees 684. Now we will see one more example. From the following data, calculate the total monthly remuneration of 3 workers X, Y and Z. Here are the informations. Standard production per month per worker is 1000 units. Actual production during the month X 800 units, Y 700 units and Z 900 units. Piece work rate per unit of actual production is rupees 15. DA is rupees 400 per month fixed. House rent allowance is rupees 200 per month fixed. Additional production bonus at the rate of rupees 5 for each percentage of actual production exceeding 75% of actual production over standard. So from this information we are to calculate monthly remuneration of workers X, Y and Z. Dear students, here you are given information of production. So basic wages will be calculated using piece wage system. Here is the solution. First of all, we will calculate labor's efficiency, workers' production efficiency and bonus. For that we prepare a statement, particulars X, Y and Z. First of all, we will take standard production per month in units, that is 1000. Standard production means during a month and in a normal condition every laborers can produce 1000 units. Actual production per month by X 800 units, Y 700 units and Z 900 units. So the production efficiency percentage of laborers would be actual production divided by standard production multiplied by 100. Dear students, we discussed this formula in our first video lecture. So here it is 80% in case of X, that is 800 divided by 1000 multiplied by 100. 80% in case of X, 70% in case of Y and 90% in case of Z. Now we will work out efficiency above 75%. Efficiency above 75%. So it is in case of X 5%, that is 80 minus 75. In case of Y there is no exceeding efficiency capacity, that is 0. So in Z 90 minus 75, that is 15, and our additional bonus is rupees 5 per percentage unit. So here it is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25 rupees bonus. Why? There is no bonus. And in case of Z 15 multiply 5, that is rupees 75. Now we will calculate monthly remuneration of 3 workers, particulars X, Y and Z. First, wages rupees 15 per unit produced. So in case of X 800 units multiply 15, it is 12,000. In case of Y 700 units multiply 15, rupees 10,500. In case of Z 900 multiply rupees 15, that is 13,500. Now dearness allowance fixed rupees 400 per month to all 3 employees. House rent allowance rupees 200 fixed to all 3 employees. And additional production bonus as we calculated above, 2x rupees 25, Y no bonus and Z rupees 75. And total monthly remuneration payable to labor X amounts to rupees 12,625, Y amounts to rupees 11,100 and Z amounts to rupees 14,175. Let us see one more example. In a factory there are 3 employees A, B and C. Standard time for one job was 100 hours. Rate per hour was rupees 80. A, B and C completed the work in 45, 60 and 75 hours respectively. We are asked to calculate wages under time wage system, piece wage system and Halsey bonus premium plan. Students, in second example we were given information of production, standard production and actual production by the laborers. In this particular example we are given information of standard time and time taken by the laborers to complete the job. So accordingly we will work out their wages under 3 plans. First is time wages. So our formula for time wages is time taken to complete the job multiplied by wage rate. So first, labor A completed work in 45 hours. So 45 hours multiply rupees 80. तो wages amounts to rupees 3600. Now labor B, time taken to complete the job 60 hours, multiply rupees 80. तो wages amounts to rupees 4800. And labor C, time taken to complete the job 75 hours, multiply wage rate rupees 80. So wages amounts to rupees 6000. So as per time wage system, wages of A rupees 3600, wages of B rupees 4800, and wages of C rupees 6000. Now piece wage system. Dear students, in piece wage system, laborers get wages on their actual production done. But in this particular example, we are not given information of actual production. So in that case, a guaranteed standard time wages will be paid to the laborers. And here our standard time for completing job is 100 hours. So all the laborers will get piece wage on standard time basis. So their piece wage will be standard time multiply by wage rate, that is 100 hours multiply rupees 80. So rupees 8000 each laborer. A, B, C, all three will get rupees 8000 individual laborers wages. Now Halsey bonus plan. According to Halsey bonus premium plan, our formula for earning is time taken multiply by wage rate plus standard time minus time taken, that is time saved, multiply wage rate multiply 50%. So in case of A, time taken 45 hours multiply 80 rupees plus time saved, that is 100 hours minus time taken 45 hours multiply 80 multiply 50%. So next step 3600 plus 2200, and our wages amounts to rupees 5800. Now labor B, time taken 60 hours multiply rupees 80 plus time saved would be 100 minus 60 multiply 80 rupees multiply 50%. So next step 4800 plus 1600. So his earning would be rupees 6400. And worker C, time taken 75 hours multiply 80 rupees plus time saved would be 100 hours minus 75 hours, that is standard time minus time taken, multiply 80 rupees multiply 50%. So next step 6000 plus 1000, so total earning 7000. So in Halsey bonus premium plan, earnings of laborers is A rupees 5800, B rupees 6400, and C rupees 7000. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video.